Hi, welcome back to Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm Lisa. I'm so glad that you are watching today. While you're here, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit that bell, and then you will never miss any of my wig-related videos. Today, I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any questions about what wigs are in stock or things like that. So today, I am bringing you another style from Jon Renau's brand new Smart Lace collection. This is Maya, and the color on this one is 24BT18S8, which is shaded Mocha. So I wanted to read that and make sure I got it right. She's a really cute wavy style, a new addition to this collection, and I can't wait to tell you more in just a moment. And start talking about Maya by Jon Renau. So Maya is just a shoulder grazing wavy wig. She does have some layers. So in comparison to some other styles that you might see that have long wavy layers, she does have some short waves. So up here at the top, you're going to see that it's more of a wave, but when you get down here to the bottom, you can see that you've got more of a curl going on. So she's got waves and she's got some tighter curl. What I'm seeing is down, towards the bottom, she's got a little bit tighter curl, but very, very pretty, style. The layering gives it a lot of movement and things like that. So very pretty. She's got a bit of a bang here at the front. So I think you could cut in, more of a bang if that is your thing. So, you just have to steam those in place. This is regular synthetic. It is not a heat-friendly piece. So let me do a turn and show you her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of our measurements and stuff. So here she is from the front. This is my right side. The back. My left, and back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, this bang layer in the front here is 7.5 inches long. So like I said, you could probably shorten that and give yourself more forehead coverage if you'd like. She has a 9-inch layer here at the crown. She has 8-inch sides, and her nape back here is 6.5 inches. Weight wise, she is 3.8 ounces. So she's very, very lightweight. So Maya has a Smart Lace front. And the knotting on this particular color, I feel like the knots are a little more visible, maybe slightly heavier than the other pieces I've seen in this collection, but they're not bad. We always have to remember when we're looking this close at knots that nobody else is looking that closely at your knots. So, but this one does have, an 8 root, so it does have a darker root on it. So you're going to have those darker, root colors there at the hairline. So she has a full mono top, so I'll show you her part here. And just keep in mind that with the full mono top, you can change your part. You could part her on the right if you wanted to. You could part her in the middle. Anywhere on the mono top, you're going to be able to part her. And the mono top is very generous. So you have lots of parting options all over the top of your head there. So, okay, so her ear tabs look really nice. I have a good piece, there's a good piece of metal, so they're, forming to my head very nicely. This particular cap on my petite head was quite big. I had to take it in quite a bit. I'll show you that when I pop it off in a minute. You'll see that I have pulled the adjusters almost to the center of the nape. So just something to keep in mind. Now, once I got the circumference adjusted, it's not bad on me ear to ear, but the more size in the cap seems to be forehead to nape. So just keep that in mind if you have a smaller head. I think you could still wear this one, but it is just a bit large. So definitely this is average and average plus, fitting. And the cap has a lot of stretch. So I think it'll cover pretty much everybody. So anyway, really cute. All right, I'll pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction for Maya by Jon Renau. So here is her Smart Lace front. Goes ear tab to ear tab, but very generous. That's a nice long lace front. And then this is that generous mono top where you can part it anywhere you'd like. She has soft felt ear tabs with a good sized piece of metal for adjusting that to your face. She's open wefted all through the cap with plenty of stretch. She has Velcro adjusters She has an extended felt nape, but as you can see, I really had to pull in those adjusters. But it does not cause, you know, any kind of a wrinkling on the cap or anything obvious, you know, to anybody. I'm the only one that knows that I've pulled it in that far, so don't feel like that's going to show on the outside. Nice mono top. There's that lace front. Okay, and one more thing to note about her cap, as far as permatease, I'm not feeling a lot of permatease. I think there's some just right where the hair attaches to the cap, right at the rooting. But, you know, her volume that you're seeing is coming more from this wave pattern and these layers. So she's got, you know, like I said, kind of some shaggy waves, and that's going to lend itself to some volume. I think she would be nice, you know, if she had some, if you went in with a texturizing spray or the texturizing creams and, you know, gave her a little more texture and stuff like that. She would probably look really, really cool. Okay, so let's jump in and start talking about this color. I have this one rogue piece. There we go. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, 24BT18S8, which is Shaded Mocha. Shaded Mocha is described as a medium dark natural ash blonde and light natural gold blonde with a medium brown root. So those blondes are blended. This is a color I've always wanted to try in the synthetic hair. It's been recommended to me when I used to just wear brunettes. So it's fun to try it. I would say it lends itself to be on the warmer side with this gold blonde that's in it. Sorry, come on hair. Maybe it wants to go over here, maybe. Okay. Here's the rooting. Turn off my bright lights here. They tend to really glare off the blondes, so I like to show you these colors without the bright light as well. Okay, here is Shaded Mocha, 24BT18S8, out in the natural light. It's overcast outside, so this is under my patio cover. Your lace front. My neighbor's dog is barking. Sorry about that. Here we are in the full natural light. Actually, the overcast skies are better to see the colors. I think this is a great color for both blondes and brunettes. So blondes, if you don't mind, you know, the darker rooting. Okay, let's talk about styling and glasses and all that kind of stuff. So she is ear tuckable, although I don't think she's a style that I would wear behind my ears, you know, too much. I think you could tuck her, you know, if you needed to look down at your computer or your iPad or a book or whatever, you know, just to get her out of your face. But the waves are kind of bulky to put behind the ears. So glasses work fine. You know, you have that nice with the metal stays, the cap conforms to your head. So glasses are easy with her. She's really cute with a headband. One thing about these wigs that have some volume from waves, you can put on a headband and then just play with those waves around the headband. It looks really, really cute. And then I would go ahead and pull out some of this bang there. Even with this one rogue piece. That one piece would probably need a little steam on it to get it to behave. But, you know, I try to show you these right out of the box. So that happens sometimes. So really cute with a headband. She doesn't quite like have the length, and the style doesn't lend itself to updos or anything like that with the layers on the sides. She doesn't quite have enough length, you know, to go to clip her back here. I don't think very much of the hair would stay. So if you wanted to, you could just clip her back, you know, on the side, on each side. And then, you know, I would pull down a little bit of bang or, you know, whatever right around the face. Sometimes I like to pull down, you know, pull it down on both sides and hide the edge of the wig a little bit, just so it just looks a little more natural, you know. And then of course with her lace front, you know, you can, and full mono top, you can bump her up on the top, you know, and clip her up and do some cute stuff, you know, like that. So she's very, very cute, very pretty wavy style. If you like, you know, a lot of waves and a little bit of volume, I think that, you know, this is one that you would really, really like. So very, very cute new style, Maya by Jon Renau. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video where you can purchase her. And don't forget to go to the website and subscribe and get that 30% off code so you can save a little bit of money. So thanks so much for watching today. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.